You are going to love the 2017 QX30. The INFINITI QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.